In today's video, we're going to be talking about priority poker, when and why you should use it, and how it works. What's up everybody, Helena here from airfocus, the product management tool that enables you to confidently prioritize what to work on next, build and share clear roadmaps, and collaborate on strategy. Let's start today's video out by defining what priority poker is and why we've created it. In order to make the best possible product decisions, product managers often need to incorporate stakeholders' know-how and expertise. However, most of the time, teams and stakeholders have differing opinions. If you do eventually gather them into a meeting, you might risk having endless discussions without a constructive conclusion, which means delaying development, which is the worst nightmare for all product managers and decision makers. And that's where priority poker comes in handy. Priority poker is an airfocus feature created to prioritize feature and initiatives with a group of people in the most collaborative and time-efficient manner. Priority poker can be used in cross-functional teams and can be adapted to various projects. It guarantees alignment while getting selected stakeholders involved in the prioritization process. So if you are looking to save time and collaborate in a way that includes everyone's expertise when it comes to prioritizing items, this might be your go-to tool. Priority poker has many applications, such as product-related decisions like prioritizing features, initiatives, and backlog items, agile product management or Scrum to execute sprint planning sessions and estimate efforts, design-related decisions such as choosing personas, user journeys, and scenarios, and lastly, testing phases to prioritize bugs and fixes. Now that you know what priority poker is, let's briefly talk about how priority poker works and when you can use it. Priority poker can work in two ways: asynchronous and in real time. Here's what that means. When playing asynchronous, the users do the criteria ratings in their own time. For example, the owner invites players on Monday and asks them to complete the ratings by Friday to then discuss and make decisions. When playing in real time, players join a live game where the owner controls the flow by selecting one item to prioritize at a time. Owner and players play item by item during a live prioritization meeting. The game owner can invite an unlimited number of players. The owner can invite and manage players and even set criteria permissions. Players can join the game on mobile or desktop. This makes priority poker an excellent tool for both teams working in an office and remote teams. Each player rates the items based on their own judgment, but no one gets to see the ratings other than the owner until it's time to unveil. After flipping the results for an item, you will see the ratings and, more importantly, where the ratings differ. The platform will then suggest a rating average. The group can then discuss the rating if needed. If you want a full demo on how the feature works, you can always book a call with one of our team members or watch our in-depth video on priority poker, where we cover all of its features and offer a step-by-step guide on how to set it up. You can find the links to airfocus in our in-depth video in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments section and make sure you subscribe so that you can be notified of all of our new actionable guides and tutorials. And of course, until next time, happy planning!